And surely at every county show, there's always a good sense of humour lurking beneath. And here, one of the must-see events today has got to be the competition for the pig with the grumpiest face. So Oliver, you're obviously into your piggies, you've got your piggy tie and a huge pig behind us. Tell us a little bit about this one.
Her name's Brooke. She's a pedigree middle white pig. You can see from her appearance that her face is quite appealing and interesting. She stands out from the crowd. She's only a 2-year-old sow, so she's still got another year of growth to do. She's as good as gold. She's wanders around the farm all day and she likes her wallows, I can say that. Having to bath her last night and this morning.
With such a glowing reference, Kaddy felt she just had to have a go herself.
She's ignoring me. Well, there you have it. First prize for the pig the judge would most like to take home. Hang on, were they meaning me?